usually a winter country, even though this has been an extremely hot summer, but we are closing towards the snow and the ice and the misery. But these two guys behind me are from a country that has been struck even worse by the winter. They're from the Canada, and they're arch enemy of ice hockey.
Mamma mia, here I go again. Mama, how can I resist you? Mamma mia, does it show again? Mama, just how much I missed you. So, you know you've arrived in Sweden when you see... I'm joking. I'm joking. Listen, we got 2 days in Stockholm, and I'm very excited to show you what we saw and what we did. And yes, it does include ABBA. Look at this city. Beautiful. But first, the night before, near our Airbnb, we stumbled across this place called Nomad. Nomad Swedish Food and Bar serves up Swedish cuisine here in Stockholm city center. Not only do they have a house bear called Nomad, they're also a venue for live music. It's day one, we've left our Airbnb, and you know the drill, coffee time. Espresso House is a Swedish coffee chain which started as a small cafe inspired by the Italian coffee culture. It now has 400 coffee shops spread across Sweden, Norway, Finland, and Denmark. Okay, so we head along this rather long and largely pedestrian street called Drottninggatan towards the Parliament building, which we'll explore tomorrow.
Okay, Chris. Here we're taping stuff. So, so where are we going now?
Oh my gosh, what a stupid question.
No, why stupid?
We're heading to the Royal Palace.
Okay, see, it's not stupid. You need to say where we're going.
This is the Parliament building behind us right now. And we're walking over to the Royal Palace.
Alright, go.
The palace is open to the public and offers no less than 5 museums. The palace was largely built during the 18th century in the Italian Baroque style on a spot where the Tre Cronar Castle burned down in 1697. During the summer, every day at noon, you can watch the changing of the guard. Stratford, the Great Church, officially Church of St. Nicholas, aka Stockholm Cathedral, is the oldest church here in Gamla and was built in 1279. Next is one of my favorite parts of Stockholm, Gamla stan. Gamla stan, the old town, is one of the largest and best preserved medieval city centers in Europe. Oh, and it happens to be where Stockholm was founded in 1252. Here, in the heart of Gamla stan, is a cozy cafe called Chocolatekoppen, delicious food with cold and hot drinks. Now I know we just ate, but now I want something sweet. Enter Cafe Kakbriken, which serves a variety of ice cream, waffles, gelato, sorbet, and more. They say that from 10 meters away you can smell freshly baked waffle cones and the scent of vanilla, which is probably how we found this place actually. As we continued to explore Gamla Stan, the old town, we found ourselves in the neighborhood of Sofia. Katarina Church, or Church of Catherine, is one of the major churches in central Stockholm. The original building was constructed in 1656 to 1695. The Katarina Sofia borough is named after the parish and the neighboring parish of Sofia. Now you guys know I love photography, so one of the reasons why we're out here is because of this place. Fotografiska is one of the world's largest exhibits of contemporary photography. 4 unique large exhibitions and about 20 smaller exhibitions are presented annually. The book and souvenir shop sells all types of awesome prints from the exhibition, while the top floor cafe holds some of Stockholm's most beautiful viewpoints. The other reason why we're here is because of this place. Meatballs for the people is a restaurant, bar, and shop rolled up into one. As the name suggests, the classic Swedish meatballs is the focus. They offer 14 kinds of meatballs made from ingredients like elk, beef, and even salmon. Very cool. So while I eat, thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and click the little bell so you can be notified of day 2, which is coming up next week. Cheers and thank you for watching.